Got a dope little pool, a resting area, a beautiful view.
This morning we are going snorkeling.
I've been on it.
And Tomas is going to arrive today. We're pretty excited about that. It's Morgan's birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, hello. We're having special experience on the snorkel trip. We're gonna try to fit this many people on this little boat. It will be fun. So we just got done snorkeling with a crew of like 10. It was awesome. We got to check out 4 different spots. We're just getting back to Villa Bagus and we're super stoked because our friend Tomas should be here. So we're about to go see Tomas. Buddy! Buddy! Milo! You're here! This is Tomas.
This is Echo.
We both have the GoPros out.
Look at him.
We've been waiting for this one.
Hey, buddy.
This is what happens when you got a lot of photographers and filmmakers together. All right, we've got 3 people on this boat. So meet Sonia.
Yo.
That's Sonia. Her girlfriend Ashley is back there, rolling 3 deep on that one. Josh is being an excellent driver. This just makes it more entertaining. We're stuck in an island traffic jam. Actually, it's really not bad being 3 people on this. I feel quite comfortable.
Yeah, it feels good.
I feel very secure as a sandwich.
Yes.
We finally made it to the restaurant. Everybody is here. It's time to eat foods. I think everybody is next level hangry. Here. Happy birthday to you!
Where's your lighter?
Yeah!
Like literally waiting for you guys to watch.
Sorry.
We're gonna win.
How are you doing today?
Look at that, the winning team right here. Winners. I was doing awesome. The Chinese beat them.
Mice.
Last night for Morgan's birthday, we went out to eat. And I got home and I've been throwing up all night. Bali belly. Wendy came home early and also has been throwing up all night and all morning, so today is not good. We were meant to go to Nusa Penida for a couple days, but we're not going to. We're going to head straight to Gili T, but we've got a 2-hour trip across the ocean to make, so today is not going to be my favorite day. So this morning has been interesting. We missed our boat to Gili T. We wanted to see Nusa Penida. We didn't think we were going to see Nusa Penida, but we're going now because it's only a 15-minute boat ride from here. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to come back to this island and then head to Gili T. So for all the three of us that have been sick, it's not going to be the most fun being on boats for the next 2 days. This is everybody's favorite day, especially this one. Wendy is not loving life. She's had her first case of Bali belly, and I think it's getting to Morgan too. Sucks. Happy birthday! So we've got an awesome little driver here in his super funky little car.
Room have air conditioner, and upstairs have the 2-room again.
This is awesome. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. This is epic. We've gotten really amazingly lucky. As we've been traveling through the islands, we've met different Airbnb owners that need marketing for their Airbnb through photos and video, and we've gotten to stay at some of the most beautiful places, and I think the videos here do not do the places justice, but our viewpoint from Villa Agung on Nusa Penida is surreal. I think he's doing the same thing as me. Look at that view. We are just getting to Broken Beach. And there's a drone down there somewhere. Snorkeling.
Good. A little bit choppier than earlier in the day, but it was still really beautiful. It's always nice.
How did you like it?
Awesome. I finished my snorkeling. It was like first real time snorkeling
This is your first time?
in the coral
Aww.
like this with beautiful fish.
This cute guy.
This is what happens when you have a bunch of photographers. We got this one. It is beautiful though.
And on them just looks so beautiful with the golden water.
What a wonderful day.
So we are headed to Gili T today, finally. The girls got sick yesterday, so we stayed in Nusa Penida at this amazing place with this view. And today we're headed to Gili T for 3 or 4 days. Good morning, good morning.
Quiet.
That's where we stayed last night, right there.